Here is a comparison between Hume band and Garmin. Hume band is actually a band that you can wear if you wanted to track your emotional distress, your stress level while you're doing such activities that needs your sweat or endurance. This is actually a good band because as you can see, it is already a device all you can, and you can also see there the energy loss that you have. On Garmin, it's just like the other band smartwatches. In here, it is just like a satellite communicator. There is a GPS and an analog smartwatch that you can use. So, if you wanted a more stylish kind of a smartwatch, then Garmin is good for you. Now, here is a table for a concise comparison. For the whole band, its main focus is emotional health and AI emotion tracking, while the Garmin its focuses on fitness and sports and advanced training metrics. So if you're looking for a band that has emotional health tracker, then whole band is right for you. But if you're into exercise, then you can go ahead and purchase Garmin.